Hi, my name is Jeff Stiles. I'm here at Dr. Yu's for treatment for retinitis pigmentosa. It's not my first time here. I've been coming here for over 12 years. I come about twice a year for 1 week at a time. Luckily, I live in the same country, in the same province, only about 5 hours away, so it's easier for me to come down than I know lots of other people who have to fly here from other countries. I'm here just on a brief visit before Dr. Yu heads back to China. I'm about to realize a long-time dream of my wife and I, and that's to travel the world with our kids. We're leaving for Peru in August. So I wanted to come this week for a little bit more treatments just to kind of keep my vision stable. Obviously, traveling in lots of different countries, my vision is going to be really important to me and my family and my ability to get around. Not all sidewalks are created equally, as we have learned in our travels. And so it gives me a lot of confidence to come down for treatments and gain back some vision that I have lost and keep my vision really stable, because it'll be about 9 months now between my time with Dr. Yu. Luckily, we're kind of entering China the same time that Dr. Yu is there in March. So I'll be going to Shanghai to get treatments from Dr. Yu at his center there. So we're really excited about that. But the treatments today are going really well. I've already done 2 treatments and I have 1 more to go. It's really busy in there right now, and lots of people are having great results as usual. So yeah, lucky that he's here and lucky that he's doing such a great job with all the patients. I have met some people here that have come for the first time, so it's been great talking to them about that process, and it's not an easy process to go through. I think for us patients with retinitis pigmentosa and some other eye conditions as well, since diagnosis, we're all told there's no hope. You know, there's nothing you can do to stop the degeneration. There's nothing you can do to give yourself hope. Of course, they're wrong. Western medicine just maybe isn't ready to handle supporting people like us. But luckily, Eastern medicine has a lot of things that it can do to help us. I think talking to some people this week, one thing to think about if you're coming here for the first time is that everybody is very different. RP isn't RP isn't RP. So even people that have the same blind spots as I do, we respond differently to treatments. And so Dr. Yu, there's no one fix, one program for everybody. There's unlimited programs, because Dr. Yu uses the visual field tests we do in the clinic as feedback to see what's working, what's not working. He's constantly changing it to match what our body needs for vision. But I think one thing that's really important is coming here with an open heart and an open mind. Sometimes I've seen people almost get in the way of their own recovery because their mind is set like the Western doctors, that there's nothing I can do, that it can't possibly work. And even though other people are seeing success and having visual gains, they don't believe it can happen for them. And some people come 1, 2, or 3 times and they don't get a lot of gains. But I've learned that those people that have patience and that are okay with whatever happens, and you celebrate the successes and you don't get too down on the days when your vision isn't as good, those are the people that make the biggest gains in the end. So it's a big mental game when you come down here too. It's not just the physical, dealing with the needles and drinking the teas that might not taste the best. But having the right mindset is really important when you come here. So really encourage everyone to come with an open heart and an open mind and just enjoy the process and be in a place where there's hope, and be in a place where you can meet and talk to people who have retinitis pigmentosa, because that's, in our lives, it's really hard to meet somebody. And here you meet a whole bunch of people who see the world the way you do. So it's a really nice place to be.